How awesome would it be if you can ensure that every customer who calls you is always able to get the help they need and reach the most appropriate agent? Well, with call forwarding, you can. Stay tuned. Call forwarding, or call diverting as it is sometimes known, is a telephony feature that allows you to reroute incoming calls to any mobile, landline or call queue. It's particularly useful for taking the pressure off of your agents and dividing the workload evenly so that the callers get the attention they need and every inbound call is handled. I like to imagine the flow of incoming calls as a river feeding a reservoir. If the amount of incoming calls overflows the capacity of an agent or a team, you can quickly become flooded with unresolved calls. The best thing you can do in the event of such a threat is divert the flow somewhere else that does have capacity. And call forwarding allows you to do that. Call forwarding does mainly three things. Automatically forward incoming calls to an external number during out of office hours, for example. This could be a mobile phone or an external agency. Automatically redirect inbound calls assigned to busy agents to available ones. And enables agents to manually transfer calls to a colleague who is better equipped to help them in a different department, for example. So let's take a look at how you can set up call forwarding for yourself. First, you'll need a call center software solution that includes the feature, like CloudTalk, for example. For manual call forwarding, it's ready to go out the box. As soon as an agent receives a call they can't take or aren't qualified to help with, they can easily divert it to one of their colleagues directly from the dialer by clicking the transfer button and then selecting the appropriate agent. Automatic call forwarding needs a little setup, but it's nothing complicated. To get started, log into your CloudTalk dashboard and open the call flow designer. There you can set up the condition splitter and create multiple if-then scenarios. For this example, I will set up forwarding to an external number during weekends and public holidays. First, you set the waiting time and input the redirecting phone number. Then you input the hours it will be active for. For this example, I entered the whole day from midnight through midnight. Finally, select the days and then save to finish. It's as simple as that. You can expect to see many improvements when you start using call forwarding. For example, reduced hold times, lower call abandonment rates, and most importantly, improved customer experience. Not to mention that call diverting is also inexpensive and easy to set up. If you want to try out call forwarding for yourself, why not start a free trial or book a demo with an agent at cloudtalk.io. Thanks for watching.